So in this video, we're going to talk about the features of Oneplus Nord 5, which is going to release soon in India. First of all, let's start with the display. This comes with a 6.7 inches of 120Hz refresh rate, HDR10+ supported OLED display, and it is going to be a 120Hz refresh rate display which was protected by the Corning Gorilla Glass 5. When we talk about the processor, there are till the news now that this mobile might comes with a Qualcomm Snapdragon 7 Plus Gen 3. It's a good processor obviously, and this will be available in 3 variants, mostly 8GB RAM 128, 8GB 256 and 12 to 56GB internal storage variants. Now these are Qualcomm Snapdragon 7 Plus Gen 3 and UFS 4.1 storage capacity along with LPDDR5 RAM types. So yeah, it's a great performance mobile with this combination. When we talk about the processor, yeah, it is a octa-core 5G processor and it is a 3nm based processor. When we talk about this mobile's cameras, this mobile comes with a dual camera setup at the back side, a 50 megapixels of main wide angle camera with optical image stabilization, and also a 8 megapixels of ultra wide angle camera. For the front, this mobile comes with a 32 megapixels of front facing wide angle selfie camera, and we can shoot up to 4K 60 with this mobile's back camera and 1080p 60 with the front cameras. So there's no 8K for this mobile. And when we talk about this mobile's battery, it does comes with a 5000 mAh of battery. It's a decent amount of battery in these days, and it does supports 80 watts of fast charge through wire, but unfortunately there is no wireless or reverse wireless charging features. Yeah, this mobile does comes with the IP64 water and dust water splash resistant, but not a waterproof resistant. This is not an IP68 or 9 69 centimeter mobile, so don't dip this mobile in the water if you purchase one. And when we talk about this build quality, this mobile might comes with a polycarbonate back and frame also. So this mobile comes with a charger and a cable and a TVO case and also SIM ejector tool and some quick start guides and stuff like that included in the box of this mobile. And when we talk about this mobile's connectivity, this mobile comes with a Wi-Fi 6E dual band support and Bluetooth 5.4, NFC, and this one also comes with all the sensors like gyroscope, proximity sensor, accelerometer, everything. So when we talk about this mobile's price and colors, this mobile will be available in 3 colors which I have listed in the description box down below. Oh, by the way, if you're watching the video till now, subscribing to the channel will be more encouraging for me. And when we talk about this mobile's price, this mobile till the news now, this mobile might come with a price tag of 35,999, almost 36,000 rupees. So for that price range, we have to wait and see when this mobile releases, whether it's worth that price range or not. By specs on paper, it looks good. And oh, by the way, this mobile is also comes with a this mobile runs on Android version 15 out of the box with Oxygen OS 15. So that's a thing which I have forgotten. So that's it for the video. Hit the like button and the subscribe button, friends.